Well, hello everybody. Welcome to 11 Redwood Street in Porter Creek. We've got a pretty fantastic house to show you and we're super excited. Come on in. As you're entering the home, you're greeted with a formal dining area and access to a really sunny deck. Coming through the kitchen, you are greeted with a spacious, cozy living room with vaulted ceilings. Just to add to this little charmer, we've got the loft-style master bedroom right up here, open to everything and pretty fantastic. So there you have it, everybody. 11 Redwood Street in Porter Creek, 75 by 135 foot lot. You've got raised garden beds, raspberry bushes, greenhouse, sheds. You've got 2 bedrooms, 1 bath. You couldn't ask for anything more. So give me a call, Dana Klock at Urban Realty Group.